Today, we're helping you with how to repair Windows 10 using Command Prompt. If your Windows is slowing down or showing error messages, here are 2 simple methods to fix these issues. Whether it's corrupt files or system errors, CMD can resolve. Let's get started. Repairing your system could unintentionally put your important files at risk. The first step is to ensure that your data is safe. You can recover any lost data using powerful data recovery software. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard is an advanced solution to recover any type of data files. It can handle even the toughest recovery problems without the risk of data loss. Here's how you can access it. Download and install EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard on your PC. Open the EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. Choose the disk where you suspect data loss occurred during your Windows 10 repair process. After selecting the drive, click the Search for Lost Files button to start scanning for any lost data. The EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard will quickly scan the selected disk and display the scanning results on the left pane. You can use the file type and file path filters to find the specific files you need to recover after the repair. Once the scan is finished, review the results and select the files that were lost during the repair process. Click the Recover button to restore these files back to your Windows 10 system. This process ensures that you regain access to your important data after troubleshooting. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard is perfect for those who need more hands-on help with serious system issues. The first method is the System File Checker command. It scans your system for corrupted files and automatically repairs them. Here's how to use it. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type CMD in the search bar, right-click, and choose Run as administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command, sfc/scan now. This command will start scanning your system for corrupted or missing files. Press Enter and wait for the scan to finish. This can take a few minutes depending on your system. Once complete, the system will automatically repair any detected issues. The SFC command is a straightforward way to fix many common Windows issues. However, if it doesn't work or you need a deeper scan, the second method is the DISM command. This command is more advanced and can fix deeper issues with Windows images. Let's walk through the steps. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Type the following command to check your system health. DISM online/cleanupimage/check health 3. This will scan for any image corruption in your system. If corruption is found, run this next command to repair the image.
DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health 5.
Press Enter and wait for the process to...
DISM is powerful, particularly when SFC alone doesn't fix the problem.
By using these 2 commands together, you can resolve even more severe system issues. If your problem persists after these steps, you may need to consider more advanced troubleshooting or contact technical support. EaseUS Data Recovery Services help you repair the system or repair the disk without data loss. Here are the steps to use our manual recovery services. Start with a free consultation via live chat or support at easeus.com. Describe the issues and wait for our expert to finish the free diagnosis. Get a data loss report and quotation after careful diagnosis. Our experts begin repairing your disk and restoring data. All right, that's all for today. Let's recap. The SFC command scans and repairs corrupted system files. The DISM command goes deeper, fixing image-related issues. And when things get too tricky, EaseUS Manual Recovery Services helps you restore your system and recover lost data. Each method has its place. Choose the one that fits your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting tutorials. See you next time.